Hello Capricorn, you are tuned into Rohani Guidance and this is your prediction from 13th October to 23rd October 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, you can always reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Before I start the readings, I would like to tell you that I will be traveling to Dubai this month, and anybody who would want to take an appointment in person can do so, can DM me, and we can schedule the same. Thank you. Now let's look at your monthly energies. Sorry, for the next 10 days. So we've got Nine of Wands and the Rebel. So the Nine of Wands here indicates that every time you take a step further, there is a setback, and you are feeling very, very exhausted, very heartbroken, and very disappointed in regards to the same. Now, what I believe here is that this could be either because you're being very, very rebellious about what you want. You are not really ready to change your ways, but you are sort of actually being very stubborn on how you want something. So, Capricorn, here's the thing. You should manifest whatever you want. You should tell the universe this is what you want and not be very specific on the way you want, because that is how you will be able to get whatever you want in the least resistance manner, in the best possible manner actually. Or this could be someone who is an Aries, who is responsible for your downfall again. On the love front, we've got death and we've got control. So death, I think there is a transformation in your relationship. You could be ending a relationship, or you could be transforming the current relationship into something more. However, I see the other person being very, very controlling. He or she wants to deal with a lot of logic and intellect when it comes to love, and I don't think that works the best when it comes to love. You, on the other hand, are feeling very, very exhausted and very, very tied down to the relationship because of the control they are practicing over the relationship. Uh, Capricorn, I suggest that you sort of express your love a little more. That's also one of the advice cards we have for you, but you need to express your love and try transforming this relationship from a very practical point of view to a more love, love sort of a thing, where the other person is also forced to loosen up on the logic and intellect and deal in the relationship with a lot more of love and passion and compassion. On the work front, you've got the Hierophant and Understanding. I see your boss, maybe your boss or your family members, the previous generation. Someone could be responsible for a nice opportunity coming your way. They could be bringing a nice, out of the blue, creative opportunity your way. And if you actually keep following what these people say, you're most likely going to benefit the most when it comes to this situation. Just listen to whoever is more experienced and who has whoever you value the most. They will be able to guide you the best in this scenario. Again, we have a Mercury retrograde coming on the 13th of October, and I would like to give you a piece of advice that you have to be very, very careful of how you look into your communications, what you speak, how you speak. Double check with whatever you send, and only then proceed with anything, because Mercury is likely to stir some sort of issues for you, Capricorn. On the health front, we've got High Priestess and Traveling. So High Priestess here indicating that you could be having issues with your uterus, with your ovaries. Again, you could be facing issues when you work out. There could be you could have injuries, thighs, legs, ankles injuries. You could be facing some hormonal imbalances, which could really put a lot of stress on your ovaries and your uterus. Advices for you, Capricorn, would be express your love, go ahead and make the romantic gesture. And cleansing waters. Purification activates vibrant life force. So if you enjoy the reading, please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned to Rohani Guidance.